guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ojal and you're watching Art Explores. So today's video is all about recycling your old denim into a new and quirky one. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so this is the pair of denim that I'll be transforming today. Wherein we need a pair of denim, some paintbrushes and colors and pencil is needed to complete this DIY. I'll start with drawing very lightly with the colored pencil. Oh damn, I hate this part. I know you guys must be wondering that मैं बना क्या रही हूँ. So मैं अभी दो parrots बना रही हूँ, दो love birds, you know. ये मेरा drawing पूरा complete हो चुका है. I've finished my drawing now. So I'm starting it with a very vibrant orange color. I like vibrant colors. उससे थोड़ा सा fresh feel आता है, like अभी जैसे paint किया है. So I like that freshness in colors. That's why इसमें पूरी drawing में मैं सिर्फ vibrant colors use करूँगी, like high saturated colors. I'm adding a little bit of yellow and orange, जहाँ पे मुझे थोड़ा सा light area चाहिए. And for some highlight I'll use pure lemon yellow color. You know the best way to mix acrylic colors is जब वो दोनों colors wet होते हैं तो आप उनको बहुत अच्छे से mix कर सकते हो. That's why I prefer mixing both the colors parallelly, like lemon yellow and orange. Also, if your drawing is not that good, then जो starting में जो मैंने drawing बनाया था, आप उसी step पे आप काफ़ी detailed drawing बनाना. Here I'm using brown color to paint the beak and the bark. I'm using acrylic colors, fabric colors. So basically जो fabric colors में brown color इतना ज़्यादा dark opacity के साथ नहीं है. So if you want to make it darker, then you can add a little bit of black in it. However, we are drawing lovebirds and we have to make it a little quirky, so we'll be adding some hearts. I clearly do not want it to look like a cut paste kind of sticker thing, so that's why I'm splattering some paint. Herein I'm using black to add some shadow. I think I'm done painting with the girl parrot now. I'll start painting the he parrot. In this parrot also I'll be using the same lemon and yellow color that I used in orange parrot. जैसे ऑरेंज पैरेट में मैंने ब्राउन कलर यूज़ किया था तो गिव सम डायमेंशन, टू गिव सम शेडो. सिमिलरली इस ब्लू पैरेट मैं डार्क ब्लू अल्ट्रामेरीन ब्लू कलर यूज़ कर रही हूँ टू ऐड सम डायमेंशन टू इट. for the finishing touches, I'll be using black paint. As you can see, I'm using only a single paintbrush, small flat paintbrush, जिसे मैंने पूरा palette को पूरा paint किया है. I love using flat brushes for the acrylics. Now I'm using white color to accentuate my drawing even more. This will definitely brighten up my drawing. Now coming back to the orange palette, इसको भी थोड़ा सा highlights and outlining से complete कर देते हैं. I'm adding finishing touches. Now adding some green splatter, and here is my finished result, guys. Oh my god, I'm freaking loving it so much and I'm so excited to wear it. So this was the video, guys. I really hope you like it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The link is right there, the red button, you see that? Yes, I'm new on this channel. Please, I need your support, so please subscribe to the channel. एक click ही तो करना है यार. Also, do let me know in the comment section below what would you like to see next. Till then, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye and peace.